What is Garapa wood? Garapa is a tropical hardwood known for its warm golden color, durability, and naturally smooth appearance. Sometimes called Brazilian ash, Garapa ranges from light yellow and honey tones to a richer golden brown as the wood ages. Compared with darker tropical hardwoods like Ipe and Cumaru, Garapa gives a deck a noticeably brighter appearance. In this video, we'll answer some of the most common questions about Garapa decking. How long does it last? How does it compare to Ipe and Cumaru? Does it need to be sealed? Does it get hot in the sun? And what are the pros and cons? What color is Garapa decking? Color is one of the easiest ways to distinguish Garapa from the other tropical hardwoods. Garapa typically has a light golden yellow to honey brown appearance. With sun exposure, those colors can deepen into a warmer golden and amber tones. The grain is generally fine and relatively uniform, giving Garapa a clean, refined appearance. If you like tropical hardwoods but prefer a lighter deck rather than the deep browns of Ipe or Cumaru, or the dramatic variation of tiger wood, Garapa is an excellent option. How long does Garapa last outdoors? Garapa is naturally resistant to rot, decay, and insects, making it well suited for exterior applications. A properly installed Garapa deck can provide decades of service. Garapa isn't quite as dense or hard as Ipe or Cumaru, but it's considerably more durable than many traditional decking materials. As with other hardwoods, proper ventilation, board spacing, quality fasteners, and sealing freshly cut ends will help maximize its lifespan. So how does Garapa compare to Ipe and Cumaru? The biggest differences are hardness, appearance, and price. Ipe offers exceptional density, durability, and longevity. Cumaru provides similar characteristics, often at a lower price point. Garapa isn't as hard as either species, but offers lighter appearance, is somewhat easier to work with, and typically costs less than Ipe. So the best choice really comes down to what combination of appearance, performance, and budget works best for your project. Do you have to seal Garapa decking? Garapa's natural durability comes from the wood itself, so a surface coating isn't required for outdoor use. However, if you want to maintain its golden color, applying a penetrating hardwood oil is recommended, particularly deck-wise Ipe oil. And if you don't oil, like Ipe, Cumaru, and other natural hardwoods, Garapa will gradually weather to a silver gray patina. That color change is primarily cosmetic. You can periodically clean and oil the deck to maintain its warmer tones, or simply allow it to weather naturally. Is Garapa cooler than darker hardwood decking? This is one of the areas where Garapa lighter color can be an advantage. Any decking exposed to direct sunlight can become hot, but darker surfaces generally absorb more solar energy than lighter ones. Because Garapa is naturally lighter than species such as Ipe or Cumaru, it can be an appealing choice for sunny decks, pool areas, and other spaces where people may frequently walk barefoot. Actual surface temperature will vary based on sunlight, air temperature, and other conditions. Can Garapa be used for pool decking? Yes. Garapa's natural resistance to decay and lighter appearance make it a great option for pool decks. As with any decking around a pool, proper installation and regular cleaning are important, especially to prevent dirt and algae buildup that can affect traction. Is Garapa difficult to work with? Garapa is a dense hardwood, but it isn't as hard as Ipe or Cumaru, which can make it somewhat easier to cut, drill, and install. You still want to use carbide tip tools and proper hardwood installation techniques. Depending on the fastening method, pre-drilling may also be required. For contractors accustomed to tropical hardwoods, Garapa is a very manageable material. What are the pros of Garapa decking? Garapa offers good durability, natural resistance to rot and decay, and a distinctive golden color that's very different from darker tropical hardwoods. It's also generally more affordable than Ipe and somewhat easier to work with. Its lighter color makes it particularly attractive for sunny decks, pool areas, and contemporary outdoor spaces. What are the cons? Garapa isn't as hard or dense as Ipe or Cumaru. So if maximum hardness and longevity are your top priorities, one of those species may be a better fit. And if you want to maintain Garapa's original golden appearance, you will need to periodically clean and oil the deck. Otherwise, it will naturally weather to gray. Is Garapa decking worth the investment? If you're looking for the beauty and durability of a tropical hardwood, but prefer a lighter appearance, or don't need the extreme hardness of Ipe, Garapa offers an excellent balance of performance and value. If maximum hardness and longevity are your priorities, consider Ipe. If you want exceptional density and performance at a lower price than Ipe, Cumaru is another great option. But if you want a lighter color tropical hardwood that combines durability, beauty, and value, Garapa is a great option for your project.